Ice cream machine is only the ice cream shop. You're talking about technology. You know, this how to do it, just easy. Start your order. Yeah, we about to get it wrong. We had a lot of companies that didn't believe in us. Y'all remember Redbox? Took over the video thing, we're gonna take over the whole ice cream game. This technology. Then I'm gonna take this company public real soon so my people can eat off of this. This how easy it is. This technology, y'all. And it's called an ice cream shop. So we came a long way to be able to take over the grocery store, not take over technology. And y'all see what the ice cream man saying, your spoon gonna be underneath your cup. So we came a long way. Ice cream man, yeah. We got ice cream machines gonna be in 7-Eleven malls, schools, celebrity houses. And this how easy it is. Nobody ever touch your ice cream. Get it just like that.
It's the future, Pop.
Definitely the future.
Best ice cream in the world.
Look at this. It's definitely the future. Y'all see the spoon under there? Ice cream, man. We got ice cream. You only can get this kind of ice cream at the ice cream shop machine. Technology. You know what this is? This blue vanilla right here.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's the future.
The future.